What's up, witches? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. Okay, so I am filming this at 10:35 on Friday night because I went to my grandson's birthday party, and while I was gone, Inked Goddess Creations box was delivered. So we're going to do this unboxing. I'm going to post this Saturday morning for y'all. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. We got our card right here. Let me grab my glasses. Okay. So, right on the top, it says, Aqua vow paper, make a sacred vow, and let the water set it free. So, I don't know if there's anything in this or not. Oh, there is. Okay. So, it's water dissolving paper, perfect for releasing your spells to the universe via the element of water. It's eco-friendly, meaning you can release your spells into active bodies of water, such as streams, lake, the ocean, etc. For home use, we recommend filling a bowl with water, placing your written on paper into the bowl, and swirling it with your finger to help dissolve it. Then dispose of the water by pouring it down the drain or onto the ground outside. For spell and intention use, write your intention in any type of ink is fine, visualizing it coming to fruition. Then add the paper to water, and as it dissolves, visualize your intention being released into the world. And there's a whole bunch of the paper inside the envelope. So that's cool. I love water spells. I love the water element. Alright, so let's get this paper out of the way. Alright, so we have this candle. And it's one of those floater candles, it looks like. And Sea Witch Floating Candle, a blend of eucalyptus. Let me put this down. Looks like that. A blend of eucalyptus, bergamot, musk, amber, and oak moss to help you embody water witch vibes. This is a floating candle which can be used in a bowl or a cauldron filled with water to deeply connect to the flow of energy around you. Smells good. Alright, so let's go with this pouch. Okay. I have no idea what this is. Hold on. Alright, so looks like this. I see an abalone shell in here. Alright, so this is Sacred Waters Herbal Blend, Rosemary, Peppermint, and Lemon Myrtle. And an abalone shell, which is beautiful. You can burn that in there, I'm pretty sure. Let's see what it says. Sacred Waters Herbal Offering Blend and abalone shell. Use this blend of water, aligned herbs as an offering during healing or empowerment spells. By placing a little into the abalone shell on your altar, herb mix can also be burned in the shell as an herbal incense or sprinkled outside or into a body of water as an offering. So that's cool. I'm going to put that back in there. And that's how they packaged it. Very cute. Alright, so we have a box. Ooh, okay. Sacred Waters glass bottle with stopper. Store your favorite type of sacred water in this beautiful frosted glass bottle with a deep blue glass topper. And it's really in there too. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Very cool. I love little bottles like this. I have a bunch up there. Alright, put some moon water in there. I'm gonna put that over there. Alright, sacred water bath salts. Okay. A blend of Dead Sea salt, Celtic gray salt, with herbs of kelp, aloe, calendula, and butterfly pea flower added in to help heal, cleanse, and empower your divine self. 1 tube is good for 1 bath, or dissolve 1/3 of the tube in a pitcher of warm water and pour over your feet or head in the shower to cleanse. So that's what it looks like. Very cool. All right, we got a little pouch. Ooh, very cool. This is a lithium, lithium quartz point. See all the little inclusions in it? Lithium quartz is the ultimate stone of peace, calming energy, and helping one to go with the flow. If you are stressed or overcome with anxiety, holding lithium quartz can help. This gemstone embodies the exact same properties of the element of water. And then we have our expansion pack for the Eclectic Witch deck. 3 cards on magical water types, lithium quartz, and abalone shell to add to your Eclectic Witch card deck. So they look like this. Okay, so that is our box for the month. I'm really digging that, and the full moon's on Monday, so I think I'm going to work with the element of water during the full moon. So, what'd you guys think of the box? I'm digging that dissolvable water sheets, the Avalon Aqua Val paper. So, alright, so that was our box. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. And, if you want to order your own box, it's Ink Goddess Creations. Right there. And this box is $35 a month. That's what it comes out to. And she charges you between the 1st and the 3rd of each month. And then I got it today, which it's the 9th. So not too bad. And I'm really enjoying the boxes. And I have not received one that I didn't like. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And until next time, you have a blessed and magical day. And remember, don't let anyone tame your spirit. All right. Bye.